If you want to install window blind, you will give 4 inches or 3 inches from the window lintel. But you go there from the window lintel under from the window lintel, you will give 4 inches up. Then you mark it 4 inches or 3 inches. So you do the same thing here from the window lintel up. Now, after if you mark it, the next thing you will do is that this is from that lintel up. You mark it. Now you give a full to get the accurate measurement. You from down measure it to that particular level that you mark. So because we assume that the tiles is equal, like it's leveled. Some people that used to do plastering, sometimes their lintel is not level, so we use down and measure it to that place that we mark after giving 3 or 4 inches. Then the next thing you will do is that after marking it, you will drill. You see, you will drill. He shift aka like this. Go into hole like space so that if you put the fisher, all easier to enter. You understand? So that if you are putting it, you put it. Okay. So after the drilling, you now put your fisher, then you put the bracket, then you screw it with screwdriver. This is the fisher and the screw. This is we are putting the fisher inside the wall. Let me see the bracket. the blanket. So this how the blanket used to be. This window blind blanket. So you screw it with screwdriver inside the wall. Now we have finished putting the blanket on the wall. It's now to hang the window blind. Now, in hanging the window blind, see what you do. Look at this blanket now. The tip, that white something there, the tip of it, you put it here. You put it here and put the other one here. So just look at it, and you make sure that the blind fit the side. When you are putting the blind, you give a equal side. The blind will be equal side of the window, so that one side will not be longer than the other. This is it. Sure. So make it to be in the wall. Make it to be level. This is this side and the other side is equal. So if you do it, you push it, it will clip. So that is how to install window blind. This is their net window blind. Listen. Thank you for watching. This is the PGT Interiors. Premier Design and Thank you Limited. Thank you.